Hey guys, welcome to the 2025 Firework Premiere Series. Today we're going to be doing some fireworks and some small firecrackers. But we cannot do big fireworks because we're going to see some professional fireworks, which is tomorrow. Let's go ahead and stay tuned tomorrow for the professional fireworks. And now for our sponsor. Alright guys, we're going to be doing all the snappers, and we're going to be doing nuclear snaps, pop, and bang snap. First, we're going to be doing nuclear snaps. No, I did not do it without force. Now I'm going to be doing it with force. Fire in the hole! Now we're going to be doing
It's truly fire in the hole.
the pop. Now we're going to be doing the pop.
You okay?
And now, the bang snap. Now we're going to be doing all of them at the same time. Happy 4th of July. Man, that was gnarly.
Rude.
Where'd the other bat go?
It's in the bat. It's in there.
You guys getting ready?
No, I was just fucking with some firecrackers. We're not gonna do the stuff you can see till later, like the flashy stuff.
This is mine.
The one in the bag is mine.
Are you doing it down here?
No.
Are you retarded?
They're pretty similar.
Do you want to go do one?
Sure you can if you want. Go ahead.
I want to test out
By
these.
myself? Do I just like light it and then run away?
We can do
You can
some.
light it and throw it. The fuse is really slow, kind of like a bottle rocket. Like, whoosh, takes a couple seconds for it to burn down.
Can we do a bottle?
Yeah, I was gonna say you guys can take a couple of. Okay. I've got ADHD and I got more than one person talking.
Ew.
It's difficult, okay.
He just farted. I'm waffle.
That is just so gross.
Can I take 2 of each?
Sure, yeah. Why not?
Thank you. What are those things?
Those
They're
are
giant
bottle
bottle
rockets.
rockets. We're
Really?
gonna say those till later because they got like colors to them or something, so we want to see them in the dark sky.
I love bottle rockets.
Here's like 2 packs of bottle rockets you guys can just take out there and share.
Can you give me one?
Okay, each of you can have a whole pack to yourself. So
Oh,
give
yippee!
him one
Thank
of
ya!
Hey, wait a second! I want to find you something to shoot them out of. Like something to put them down
I
in
have some
and shoot them
bottles
out.
in my room.
Shut up.
Of course you do.
Hey, go get, if you have any of the Tall Doctor Enough bottles, that's perfect. That's exactly what we need. Okay. Sorry I told you to shut up. I'm just overstimulated because a lot of people talking.
Go. Sorry, I talk a lot. I'll be honest, I just do whatever satisfies my needs. Yeah.
I don't know. Mine's bad. Oh!
It's got a slow fuse, that's good.
There goes. There goes. Tank by Miracle Fireworks.
Well, I mean, like we're starting, and by the time a few minutes passes, it'll be dark. So yeah, I mean, we pretty much are getting started.
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll shoot it up that way. Dragon ball.
They smell. What? Just one.
Listen, I wouldn't.
Oh, whoa, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
This one broke.
Oh! Burn the hole! Okay.
Just to let you know.
Hey, wait a second. Let Marshall do this.
All right, Chandler, stand clear. Marshall's got a sparky thing.
Oh! Look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh God. Sorry. Sorry.
Lift it up a little bit. Well, he's just don't get near Chandler. Do you like this extra?
Now, here comes the best one.
Back, it's supposed to be spinning.